about to solder a shield drain. If I can ever get this to focus. Come on, give me some contrast stuff. All right, take two, making a shield drain for the x-axis. Yeah, so cleaned up. Oh, wait, maybe take three. What up, bro?
Is Danielle and Bodie in the pool?
No, they're in the house. Where's your brothers?
At Orleans.
Okay. Take three. Making a shield drain for the x-axis. I've already got my JST connector. Which I'm not happy with JST, but whatever. It's what the motors came with. So, anyways, about to solder that on there with some of that right there. And let you know how it goes. Yes. That's not bad. Not bad at all. 22 gauge shield drain on 18 gauge leads, I guess. I don't know. Okay, what is that? What is that? Why is there a balloon going around? What is that? Oh, it's a dog. Dog balloon. There's a dog with a balloon on it. That's how I know where the dog's always at in my shop, because shops are dangerous for dogs if they don't have balloons on them.
Duh. And you go show your balloon.
See, so that way you can always be aware that there's a dog walking. Dog didn't come in. Oh, you had to get that in the video? Thanks. What's going on? Yeah. Hello, TikTok.
I'm pretty shameless.
Yeah. Well, you know, this is one of your drinking videos. She wishes it was. It is now.
I still have work clothes.
Yeah. Balloon, balloon, balloon. 10 o'clock. Shield drain.
It's a floating
12 o'clock.
balloon.
Yeah, shield drain. Gotta heat that up.
I don't think I have a...
And it'll be like this one. There you go. That'll be cut shorter on this instance. But I had to order the J or GX20 connectors. These are too big. I mean, too small. So had to bump it up in the mail. Those coming out. Gonna make a new plate. That'll be fun. All right.